Later, Edie. Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, there was a magical sea where the waves loved to play. Let's dive into the water and see what we can find. Are you ready, explorers? Children, Yeti! Down by the ocean where the waves roll free, there's a world full of wonder beneath the deep blue sea, with fish that are dancing and coral so bright. Are you ready, explorers? Yes, we're ready! Down by the ocean where the waves roll free, there's a world full of wonder beneath the deep blue sea, with fish that are dancing and coral so bright. Are you ready, explorers? Sparkling light. Children, ooh, the sea, the magical sea, the magical sea is calling out to you and me. Ooh, the sea, the magical sea, let's explore its mystery. A dolphin leaps high with a splash and a spin. A crab scuttles by with a cheeky little grin. The octopus waves with its arms so wide, and the seahorse glides on the gentle tide. Ooh, the sea, the magical sea, the magical sea, it's calling out to you and me. Ooh, the sea, the magical sea, let's explore its mystery. But wait, what's that sound? Do you hear it too? It's the whisper of the ocean, calling just for you. It says, take care of me, keep me clean and bright, and I'll keep shining with my magical light. So we'll pick up the trash and keep the water clear, for the magical sea is a treasure so dear. With every little creature from the big to the small, we'll protect them all, one and all. Ooh, the sea, the magical sea, the magical sea, it's calling out to you and me. Ooh, the sea, the magical sea, let's protect its mystery. And so our adventure ends, but the magic never fades. Remember, the sea is a gift to cherish today and always. Until next time, explorers, goodbye, magical sea.